वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक इन मैथ्स। मेरे नेम इज कुमार दास। इस वीडियो में JEE मेन इंडेफिनिट इंटीग्रेशन PYQ क्वेश्चन है 2019 अप्रैल सेशन का है। सो जस्ट गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस हियर। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है यहाँ पे? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इंटीग्रेशन साइन 5x/2 डिवाइडेड बाई साइन x/2 dx इज इक्वल टू। सो टू इंटीग्रेट दिस व्हाट आई विल डू हियर इज आई इंटीग्रेशन हमारा क्या है? आई इंटीग्रेशन है यहाँ पे साइन 5x/2 divided by sin x by 2 dx, right? So what I do here is मैं यहाँ पे क्या करता हूँ, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा, नोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को cos x by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ। सो 2 cos x by 2 बेसिकली, राइट? सो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, sin 5x by 2 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मेथड बेसिकली यूज़ कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। सो दिस इज व्हाट cos x by 2 से हमने नोमिनेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया एंड डिनोमिनेटर में 2 sin x by 2 है और cos x by 2 cos x by 2 से न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ को मल्टीप्लाई किया। तो ऊपर जो न्यूमरेटर में मैं फार्मूला यूज़ करना है दैट इज़ व्हाट 2 sin a cos b का 2 sin a cos b 2 sin a cos b का फार्मूला क्या होता है? sin a plus b प्लस sin a minus b प्लस sin a minus b, ओके। एंड 2 sin a by 2 इंटू cos a by 2 का फार्मूला क्या होता है? sin a, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट sin a। सो दैट आई विल यूज हियर। सो ये क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे sin a प्लस बी। तो sin a क्या है हमारा 5x/2, b क्या है x/2, 5x/2 प्लस x/2 दैट बिकम 6x/2। सो ये हो गया हमारा क्या 3x एंड प्लस sin a माइनस b by 2। सो 5x/2 माइनस x/2। सो ये क्या हो जाएगा 4x/2। सो ये हो जाएगा हमारा sin 2x एंड डिनोमिनेटर में क्या हो गया ये हमारा sin x dx, ओके। सो अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है, sin 3x का फार्मूला क्या होता है दैट आई विल राइट हियर। द sin 3x जो होता है वो होता है 3 sin x, राइट? 3 sin x माइनस 4 sin cube x, दैट आई राइट हियर, ओके। 3 sin x माइनस 4 sin cube x प्लस व्हाट हियर क्या है यहाँ पे sin 2x है। तो sin 2x का क्या हो गया? sin 2x का हो गया फॉर्मूला हमारा 2 sin x cos x एंड डिवाइडेड बाई क्या है sin x, divided by sin x and dx. So now what I can do here is I will take sin x common. अगर मैं sin x को common लेता हूँ so this becomes what 3 minus 4 sin square x. This is what sin square x और हमने sin x common ले लिया so this is what 2 cos x divided by sin x dx. So sin x से sin x cancel out हो गया, right? Now this is what 3, so I write here 3, okay, and dx माइनस 4 साइन स्क्वायर x को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ 1 माइनस कॉस 2x बाई 2 dx प्लस 2 एंड कॉस x का इंटीग्रेशन यहाँ पे होगा cos dx, राइट? सो 3 dx का इंटीग्रेशन x ये कैंसल आउट कर देता हूँ मैं 2 टाइम्स। सो माइनस 2 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx दैट इज x, ओके। देन माइनस माइनस प्लस cos का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया sin 2x बाई 2 और ये वाला 2 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, राइट? एंड देन व्हाट वी हैव, सो व्हाट वी हैव हियर इज दैट इज डिवाइडेड बाई 2, ओके। एंड dx का इंटीग्रेशन ये हो गया cos 2x का इंटीग्रेशन हो गया दैट इज sin 2x बाई 2 इंटू 2 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, सो दिस इज कैंसल आउट एंड प्लस व्हाट 2 cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x प्लस c, ओके, प्लस c. So this becomes what 3x minus 2x is x plus what sin 2x plus 2 sin x plus 2 sin x plus c, 2 sin x plus c. If you see the option, so we have the correct option 3 x plus 2 sin x plus sin 2x plus c. Option 3 is the correct option. Okay, let us continue with the next question. Okay, question number 2. So the question number 2 here is इंटीग्रेशन क्या है हमारा dx बाई एक्स क्यू प्लस 1 x टू द पावर 6 एंड होल टू द पावर 2 बाई 3 इक्वल टू व्हाट x एफ एक्स एंड इन ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस एक्स होल टू द पावर 6 होल टू द पावर 1 बाई 3 प्लस c. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड हियर द एफ एक्स, दिस एफ एक्स. सो टू इंटीग्रेट दिस व्हाट आई विल डू हियर इज आई इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया dx बाई एक्स क्यू, ओके. सो इन दिस ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस एक्स टू द पावर 6 में से मैं x की पावर 6 द हाइएस्ट पावर आई टेक कॉमन. सो ये क्या हो गया 1 बाई एक्स टू द पावर 6. सो आई कैन राइट दिस एज एक्स टू द पावर माइनस 6 प्लस 1, राइट, एंड द होल पावर 2 बाई 3. ओके फाइन. सो नाउ दिस इज व्हाट here basically is dx by, ये क्या हो गया, dx by x to the power 3. ये क्या हो जाएगा, x to the power 6, x to the power 6 to the power 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and this is x to the power minus 6 plus 1 to the power 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay, so this is cancel out. So this is what, 2 x to the power 4, x to the power 4, और ये क्या हो गया, x to the power 3. So power add हो जाएगा. So that becomes what, x to the power minus 7, x to the power minus 7. So मैं इसे ऊपर ले जाता हूँ तो x to the power minus 7 dx, ये हो गया x to the power minus 7 dx. डिनोमिनेटर वाला पार्ट क्या हो गया, x to the power minus 6 plus 1 and whole to the power what, 2 by 3. Right, now I will put here the x to the power minus 6 plus 1 को मैं t मान लेता हूँ, so that डिफ्रेंशिएट करने पे ये क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 6 एंड एक्स टू द पावर माइनस 7. 1 का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो गया, 0, राइट, डी टी बाई डी एक्स, डी टी बाई डी एक्स. सो फ्रॉम हेयर व्हाट डू वी गेट, एक्स टू द पावर माइनस 7 डी एक्स इज व्हाट, minus dt by 6, minus dt by 6. So I will write this as I integration equal to this is what, integration minus dt by 6, minus dt by 6 and whole divided by what, this is what here, x to the power minus 6 plus 1 is t, so t to the power 2 by 3, t to the power 2 by 3. So I write here t to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so this is what, minus 1 by 6 and t to the power minus 2 by 3 dt. Okay, so now integrating this, simple x to the power n formula will be applied here. So minus 2 by 3 plus 1, so this is 1 by 3 divided by what, divided by 1 by 3. Okay, so this is cancel out 2 times. So now we can write this as minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and t is basically what, x to the power minus 6 plus 1 and whole to the power 1 by 3 plus c, constant of integration, c is the constant of integration. Now what I do here is minus 1 by 2, मैं इसे पॉजिटिव पावर बना लेता हूँ, x to the power 6 plus 1 and whole to the power 1 by 3, right, plus c. So what I can write this is, take the LCM, minus 1 by 2, so ये हो गया क्या, 1 plus x to the power 6 divided by x to the power 6 and whole to the power 1 by 3 plus c. So ये क्या हो जाएगा, minus 1 by 2 और x to the power 6 and whole to the power 1 by 3, so ये हो जाएगा हमारा क्या, x to the power 2, x to the power 2 and 1 plus x to the power 6 and whole to the power 1 by 3 plus c. Now we need to compare this result. Now we need to compare this result with the given condition here, that this whole integration is equal to x fx, right. So what I will do here is I will just multiply this by x. So I write this as x fx. So this becomes what, minus 1 by 2 x cube. This will be minus 1 by 2 x cube. Okay, and this is what, 1 plus x to the power 6 and whole to the power 1 by 3 plus c. So we get here fx हमें क्या मिल रहा, minus 1 by 2 x cube, minus 1 by 2 x cube. So we are asked to find what is the value of fx, that is minus 1 by 2 x cube. If you see the option, so correct option is option 4. Okay, now continue with the next question. Okay, so the next question we have the question number, okay, in the question number 3 we have to integrate here the I integration. क्या है हमारा I integration है sec to the power 2 by 3, sec to the power 2 by 3 x and cosec to the power 4 by 3 x dx. So to integrate this, what I do, the result is in terms of 10 or cot, so I just convert everything in terms of 10, right. So first I write this as 1 by cos to the power, cos x to the power basically 2 by 3, right, this is 2 by 3 and 1 by sin is cosec, so cosec power 4 by 3 x को मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, sin x to the power 4 by 3 dx. So converting everything in terms of 10, so उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगा यहाँ पे 1 by, इसको डिवाइड करूँगा cos, यहाँ पे क्या है sin x to the power क्या है 4 by 3, तो मैं इसको डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ किससे, cos x to the power 4 by 3 से. So dividing this by cos x to the power 4 by 3, तो ये जो cos x है इसकी पावर क्या है 2 by 3 है, तो इसको जो मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा 4 by 3 से, तो 4 by 3 यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा dx. So this becomes what, 1 by, ये क्या हो गया 1 by cos कॉस की पावर क्या होगा, कॉस एक्स की पावर हो गया 2, बिकॉज 6/3 दैट इज 2 कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स बेसिकली, और ये हो गया 10x की पावर हो गया 4/3 dx. So 1 by cos is what? 1 by cos is sec, right? 1 by cos is sec. So I can write this as इंटीग्रेशन, ये हो गया sec स्क्वायर x dx. एंड डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होगा 10x की पावर क्या, 10x की पावर हो गया 4/3, 10x to the power 4/3. So here 10x की पावर क्या होगा 4/3. Fine. So this is 4/3. Now I will do substitution here. So putting here what, 10x को मैं एक नया वेरिएबल t मान लेता हूँ, 10x is t. सो डिफ्रेंशिएट करने पे 10x का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा, 10x का डेरिवेटिव हो गया sec स्क्वायर, राइट, sec स्क्वायर x dx इज व्हाट dt, राइट. सो ये वाले इंटीग्रेशन i जो है वो क्या होगा dt बाई t टू द पावर 4/3, राइट, 4/3. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट हियर इज t टू द पावर क्या हो जाएगा ये -4/3 dt. सो इंटीग्रेट करूँगा मैं t टू द पावर -4/3 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई -4/3 प्लस 1 प्लस c. So this becomes what, t to the power ये हो गया -1/3 divided by -1/3 plus c. So we get here the -3 and t क्या है हमारा 10x है. So 10x to the power -1/3 plus c. Now we have to see the option, right, which option is the correct option. Okay, so -3 10x to the power -1/3, right, -3 10x to the power -1/3. So we get here the correct option as option first. Option first is the correct option. Okay, let us continue with the next question. So next question we have the question number 4 here. So इस question में क्या है, हमें e to the power sec x and then sec x tan x fx plus sec x tan x plus sec square x dx is equal to this one. So basically यहाँ पे क्या है कि एक फार्मूला आपको मैं लिख देता हूँ कि इंटीग्रेशन में e टू दी पावर जी एक्स है, e टू दी पावर जी एक्स, राइट, एंड वो क्या है यहाँ पे g डैश x, दिस इज व्हाट जी एक्स का डेरिवेटिव g डैश x एफ एक्स, राइट, एफ एक्स प्लस एफ डैश एक्स. If we have this type of integration, right, if we have the type of integration, then the result is what, e to the power gx, basically e to the power gx fx plus c, e to the power gx fx plus c. Okay, so the integration result will be e to the power gx fx plus c. Okay, so fx, so here what we have, इंटीग्रेशन अगर मैं देखूँ तो e टू द पावर sec x, राइट, e टू द पावर sec x, एंड sec x का डेरिवेटिव है यहाँ पे क्या, sec x tan x, दिस इज fx, राइट, एंड दिस इज व्हाट हियर sec x tan x प्लस sec square x, and then bracket close dx. So if we see here, this is what gx, ये जो पावर है वो gx, so ये इसका डेरिवेटिव है, ये वाला रिजल्ट जो है दिस इज व्हाट g डैश x. ये fx है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, इसका डेरिवेटिव है, दिस वन इज व्हाट एफ डैश एक्स. सो मैं अगर इस वाले पार्ट को fx निकालना चाहता हूँ कि fx क्या होगा, दिस रिजल्ट इज इक्वल टू, सो व्हाट आई विल डू हियर इज fx में एफ डैश एक्स हमें मिल गया, एफ डैश एक्स इज व्हाट, एफ डैश एक्स इज योर sec x tan x, this is what sec x tan x plus what sec square x. So to find f dash x fx, just we will integrate this. Okay, so on integrating both side f dash x को integrate करूँगा मैं, right. So this side we will integrate this one as sec x tan x, right, sec x tan x plus sec square x dx, integrating, okay, both sides. So this becomes what fx, f dash x का integration fx, एंड sec x tan x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया sec x, एंड sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया tan x. सो वी गेट fx, राइट, वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज fx, राइट. fx क्या है यहाँ पे, तो fx है हमारा sec x plus tan x एंड कांस्टेंट ऑब्वियसली 1/2, सो डेरिवेटिव विल बी व्हाट 0. ओके, डेरिवेटिव विल बी 0, सो वी कैन चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन एज ऑप्शन फर्स्ट is your correct option. Option first is your correct option. Okay, let us continue with the next question. So next question we have the question number 5. So in the question number 5 what I will do here is integration, हमारे पास जो result है उस result में क्या है, यहाँ पे integration जो है dx इक्वल टू क्या है, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर है -2x है प्लस 10, and whole square है. This result is equal to 8 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 plus fx by x square minus 2x plus 10 plus c. So we have to find here what is the value of a and fx. So to integrate this, I will use completing square method, then substitution. So what I do here is मैं इसे x square minus 2x plus 1 and then plus 9 इस तरह से लिख लेता हूँ. So whole square. So x square minus 2x plus 1 को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? Now we can write this as x minus 1 the whole square, x minus 1 the whole square plus 3 square, right, the whole square. I will put here, I will use the substitution here. So x minus 1 को मैं 3 tan theta put कर रहा हूँ. So that differentiate करने पे ये क्या हो जाएगा dx and 10 का क्या हो जाएगा 3 sec square theta d theta. So the result is, result क्या हो जाएगा I इंटीग्रेशन में अब ये हो जाएगा हमारा क्या 3 sec square theta dx is what, dx is your 3 sec square theta. So I write here the 3 sec square theta d theta and denominator वाला पार्ट क्या हो गया हमने x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square को हमने 3 tan theta पुट किया है. So the whole square plus 3 square, right, 3 square then whole square. Okay, now this is what here 3 sec square theta. So I write here 3 sec square theta d theta. Now what I do here is this becomes 9, right, 3 square 9. So 9 to the power 2, right, 9 square to the power 9 square, so 81 basically. Okay, and this becomes what 10 square theta plus 1 the whole square. So 3 say 81 cancel, so that is what 27. So I can write this as 1 by 27 and this is what sec square theta d theta, sec square theta d theta, and 10 square theta plus 1 is sec square theta, sec square theta the whole square, sec square theta the whole square. Now what I can do here is one of the sec square theta is cancel. 1 by sec is what basically, 1 by sec is cos. So we can write this as cos square theta d theta. And to integrate this, what I will do is I will write the formula of cos square theta, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, right, d theta. So 1 by 27 into 2, that is what 1 by 54, right, 1 by 54. And integration of d theta is theta, and integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2, sin 2 theta by 2. Okay, plus c. Now theta, right, what we have substitute here, we have put here, since what we have here x minus 1, we have put x minus 1 equal to 3 tan theta, right, this is what 3 tan theta. So from here we get tan theta equal to what, x minus 1 by 3, and theta, therefore theta is what, theta is your tan inverse, x minus 1 by 3. Okay, fine. So we will use theta here, but for sin 2 theta I will use the formula of sin 2 theta in terms of 10. So this is what 1 by 54, right, and this is what theta plus, what is that here 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. So I write here 1 by 2, and sin 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta by 1 plus 10 square theta plus c. Now I use the value, right, 1 by 54, and theta is what, theta is your tan inverse x minus 1 by 3, tan inverse x minus 1 by 3. Okay, so here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Tan theta is your x minus 1, tan theta is your x minus 1 by 3, right. Here 1 plus x minus 1 by 3 whole square plus c. Okay, just simplify this. So this is 1 by 54, and in bracket we have tan inverse x minus 1 by 3. Okay, simplifying this part, x minus 1 by 3, and here this is 9 plus expand this, so this is x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by what, x divided by 9. Okay, divided by 9 and plus c. So this 3 cancel this 9 by 3 times. So now we have here 1 by 54, and in bracket what we have, tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 plus what, this is 3 x minus 1, x minus 1 divided by what? X square minus 2x plus 10 plus c. Now we have to compare the result, right? And we have to find what is a and fx, right? So if you see here, so it is in the form of a in bracket 10 inverse x minus 1 by 3 plus fx by x square minus 2x plus 10, right, plus c. So if we compare this, so we get a equal to, therefore we get a equal to what? 1 by 54, right, 1 by 54, and fx equal to what? 3 times x minus 1, 3 times x minus 1. If we see the option, so which option is the correct option? If you see the option, 1 by 54 a value and fx is 3 times x minus 1. So the correct option is option first is the correct option. Okay, let us continue with the next question. So next question we have the question number 6. So what is the question number 6? Here integration x to the power 5 e to the power minus x square dx equal to gx and e to the power minus x square plus c. We have to calculate what? G minus 1. See here, we have how I would integrate this. So here x to the power 5, here e to the power minus x square. So just I write this as x square the whole square, right, and e to the power minus x square, okay, and x dx, right, x square the whole square is x to the power 4 into x is x to the power 5 and e to the power minus x square dx. Now I will use substitution method here. So we put here x square minus x square is t, minus x square is t, so that differentiating it, so this is what? Minus 2x, this is what? Dt by dx. So we get from here the x dx, that is minus dt by 2. Okay, so from here x square is minus t, x square, from here x square is minus t. So if you put here, so this is what? T square, right, this is what? T square, and e to the power what? T, minus x square is t, e to the power t, and x dx is what? Minus dt by 2, minus dt by 2. So we can use here the by parts now to integrate this. Minus 1 by 2, so t square, so by parts, applying by parts, so t square as it is, right, and e to the power t integration, e to the power t, then minus differentiation of t square is 2t, differentiation of t square is 2t and e to the power t, then plus differentiation of 2t is 2 and integration of e to the power t is t, that's it. After that, if we have to differentiate 2, so it will be 0, so stop here, plus c. Okay, now what I can do here is we can just take e to the power, we can just take e to the power t common, e to the power t common. So we get here minus 1 by 2, we can write this as minus 1 by 2 e to the power t in bracket t square minus 2t plus 2, t square, we can write here t square minus 2t plus 2, okay, plus 2 plus what? C, plus c. Okay, this is the result. And what is t? T is minus x square, so we put there t is minus x square. So this becomes what? Minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus x square, so minus x square the whole square, that is x to the power 4, minus 2, here what it will be? It will be plus, right, it will be, so that becomes what here? E to the power x, t is a minus x square, right, minus x square, so this becomes what? 2 plus 2 plus 2 x square plus 2 plus c. Okay, fine. So now we have to compare this result, because this result is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2, this result is equal to e to the power minus x square gx plus c. So we just need to find the gx. So gx is what? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and in bracket what? X to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 2. So we get gx. Now we have to find what? We have to find g minus 1. So g minus 1 is what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 whole to the power 4 is 1. 2 1 minus 1 to whole to the power 2, that is also 1 plus 2. So we get here, this is what? 5, right, 5. So minus 5 by 2. If we see the option, so correct option we have, yes, we have the correct option here in option number 3. So minus 5 by 2 is the correct option. Okay, now let us continue with the next question, and we have the next question here, the question number 7. Okay, so in the question number 7th we have the integration here. I integration is equal to 2x cube minus 1 by x to the power 4 plus x dx. Okay, so which option is the correct option? We can here use the other way as well. By differentiating one by one you can get the result, right? Which option is the correct option? If you differentiate this, if you get this result, so you can say the one is the correct option. Otherwise the technique is what here, just divide the numerator and denominator by x square, right? I am dividing the numerator and denominator by x square. So what do we get here? We get here, this is what, 2x, right, and minus x to the power minus 2, and in the denominator part we get here the x square plus x by x square, so that is what, x to the power minus 1 dx. Now we can use this formula, what, f dash x by fx, f dash x by fx dx is what, log fx plus c, log fx plus c. So you can see here that if you differentiate which function, the x square minus plus x to the power minus 1, if you differentiate this, so derivative of x square is 2s and x to the power minus 1 is minus x to the power minus 2, right? So we get this integration as log the denominator function, and what is denominator function? That is x square plus x to the power minus 1, x square plus x to the power minus 1, right, minus 1 plus c. So just we have to simplify this, so we can write this x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x plus c. Take the LCM, so the result becomes what, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x plus c. Okay, now if you see the option, log x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by what, x cube plus 1 by x, right? So correct option we get the option number 3, right, plus c. Okay, let us continue with the next question, and the question number 8. Okay, so to integrate this question, right, we have the integration here, 10x, right? We have the integration here 10x plus 10 alpha, 10x plus 10 alpha divided by what, 10x minus 10 alpha, 10x minus 10 alpha dx. What I do here is I just convert everything in terms of sine and cos. So I write this as sin x by cos x, plus sin alpha by cos alpha. I write this as sin alpha by cos alpha, divided by this one as sin x by cos x, this one is sin x by cos x minus sin alpha by cos alpha, dx. Now take the LCM and simplify. So this is what, sin x, this is sin x cos alpha, plus cos x sin alpha, and divided by what, divided by cos x cos alpha, this is what, cos x cos alpha, and then whole divided by, here also take the LCM, so this becomes what, sin x minus sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha, and divided by what, divided by cos x cos alpha, dx. So cos x cos alpha get cancelled, and if you see the numerator part, so we can apply the formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b. So we can write there as sin x plus alpha. So this integration is what, sin x plus alpha, and in denominator part we have the formula sin a minus b, right? We have the formula here sin a minus b. So we can write this as sin x minus alpha, right, sin x minus alpha dx. Now what I will do here is, this is plus here, sin a plus b formula and sin a minus b formula. We'll use here the substitution method. So I put here the x minus alpha as t, right, x minus alpha as t, so that differentiate करने पे क्या मिलेगा, dx equal to dt, but we get x here, from here the we can get here what, we can write this as t is what, x minus alpha, alpha. So we will put this. So t is x minus alpha, so we just put this value here. So I इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, साइन x की जगह पे मैं क्या पुट करूँगा, x की जगह पे यहाँ से हो जाएगा t प्लस अल्फा, राइट, t प्लस अल्फा प्लस अल्फा, t प्लस अल्फा डिवाइडेड बाई साइन t, राइट, dt. सो दिस बिकम्स व्हाट, यहाँ पे क्या बन गया हमारा, साइन t प्लस 2 अल्फा, दिस इज व्हाट, साइन t प्लस 2 अल्फा डिवाइडेड बाई साइन t dt. Now I will expand this, right, sin a plus b formula. I will use the sin a plus b formula. So this becomes what here, sin a plus b, sin a cos b, sin a, so I write here sin t, sin 2 alpha, sin a cos b, so cos 2 alpha, right, plus cos a, so that is cos t, right, sin 2 alpha, right, and divided by what, sin t. So I just separate this by sin t. Okay, this is what, sin t, here also sin t, okay, and dt, okay, dt. So here sin t and sin t get cancelled. So we have here the cos 2 alpha, basically we are integrating with respect to t, so cos 2 alpha dt, and this is what, sin 2 alpha, this is what, sin 2 alpha, and cot t, integration of cot t dt. So this is what, cos 2 alpha, this is what, cos 2 alpha, and dt is t, integration of dt is t, plus sin 2 alpha, plus sin 2 alpha, and cos t integration is cot t integration is log sin t plus c, log sin t plus c. Now we have to just put the value of t, which is x minus alpha. So we can write this as I integration equal to, we can write this as I integration equal to x minus alpha, right, t as x minus alpha, cos 2 alpha, right, cos 2 alpha, plus sin 2 alpha, plus sin 2 alpha, and what is log sin t. So log sin t, t is what, x minus alpha, right, x minus alpha plus c. Now we have to compare this result, right, we have to compare this result here, ax cos 2 alpha and bx sin 2 alpha, ax cos 2 alpha. So this result is ax cos 2 alpha, ax cos 2 alpha plus what, bx sin 2 alpha, bx sin 2 alpha, right, 2 alpha plus c. So just by comparing we get ax equal to what, x minus alpha, right, x minus alpha, and bx is what, bx, we have the bx here, what, sin, log sin, right, log sin x minus, log sin x minus alpha plus, right, bx, ax and bx we have to find. So just see which option is correct. Ax is x minus alpha, right, x minus alpha, and log sin x minus alpha. If you see the option, so correct option is option number 2 is the correct option, right. Hope you will be clear with this solution, these all solutions. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye, take care.